This is how to delete a wallpaper on a lock screen. So if you are on the home screen currently like this, you just swipe down to access the lock screen, and you need to hold it down on the screen to get into the edit mode like this. And this is a very easy and quick way to switch between the wallpaper pairs. So that's very useful. But as you are in here, you also have the ability to swipe up on the individual things, and the trash icon reveals below. So if you have a wallpaper pair which you want to get rid of, you can just swipe up on it, click on the trash, and you need to delete this wallpaper. So as you can see, it will be removed from both the lock screen as well as the home screen, because those work together now. But you can confirm it like this, and now we got rid of that particular wallpaper. You should also know that we can find the same settings in the settings app, where you go to the wallpaper, and you as well have the ability to manage the wallpapers in here, right? And you can customize it and change some options about them. But that's it for me. Definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations by Foxtecc so you don't miss anything important, and I'll talk to you later.